Hello YouTube. Just exchanged the batteries. We are a day later now, and the one that was feeding the source battery and the charging battery are now exchanged. I connected it for 2 minutes or so, so it's already over 12.9. And okay. What I also did is made a little bigger on the underside. There's also a little piece of this ferrite, so there's a little more ferrite now. Okay, so I'm connecting it. It's 250 milliamps. This one is going up right away, which is very good. And if I pull out the ferrite, the current is now going down, and the charging is also going down. So I'm a little over the point which I had first. Now I'm only connecting one of the 3 wires, and if I do all 3, nothing happens. So 3 wires parallel to the bridge or 1 wire, it's all the same. So the thickness of the wire that is picking up the particles has nothing to do. So the story that you need thick wire to go to the battery is nonsense. You can use thin wire as an extra winding. Thick wire you have to use on the primary side, where you can generate a real big punch and a real big magnetic field. Okay, I'm going to connect the scope, see how it looks. Alright, this wires that I use, 4 wires, 1 trigger and 3 for the pickup, which I only use 1 now. This is 0.3 millimeters, but this wire is just a little longer than the primary thick wire that I'm using. So what I want to do now is unwind. Let's have a look at the scope, by the way. That's the scope. It's a perfect. This is over the pickup coil directly for the bridge, and if I pull out the core, you can see the frequency is picking up. So it's going slower when the core is in. So now I'm going to make it a little shorter so that they are equal in length. Alright, I changed it now. The 4 little wires I made 2 original same length. They are around 10 meters, which the thick one is maybe 5 meters or something, maybe 6. I now connected the original long one as a trigger, so the trigger is the same. Oh, you see here, look at that. That's a higher frequency, but the core is not in. It's using only 22, so it's 220 milliamps. This one is going up a little, and now I put the core in. It's going faster, going up real good. This one is going down, so that's good. That's good. And this one is looking better. It's a little H wave like. So I can increase the current here a little. Now it's already going in the direction of the 13. If I make this to 250, it's not going further than 240 max. But look at this going. 4, 5. So it's using less current now. Trigger is the same. Signal is a little different. That's because I have the same length about as the pickup coil. So I have to make the pickup coil a little longer, and I have one that is a little longer. So if I connect that one, let's see what happens. Okay, pickup wire is a little longer now. It's using 33, so 320 milliamps. This one is a block wave again, and this one is flying up. Now I can go down to which is 250 milliamps. Almost there. So this one is going up more than before, I think. Well, not much, but we have a square wave, not an H anymore. What happens if I pull out this one? Now here you can see, if I pull it out, current is going down, charge going down. So if I pull it out, frequency goes up, nothing else happens. So wire length is extremely important. It changes everything. Okay, now did a short trigger. The trigger is now just as long as the primary wire, thick wire. It's using only 230 milliamps and it's charging quite well. It's a nice square wave. If I pull the core out, it's even a little less, but it's not doing much. For the charging it does. Charging goes down, goes up when I put it in. Okay, that's good. So I'm going close here. Now I can adjust it a little. To around 250 milliamps. Look at it go. Still a square wave. So it's looking good. Transistor staying cool. Going well. Increase the current a little to 250 milliamps. And it's now about the same as before, going up. So I can say it's really better, but it's using less current. I think it's a little better. Okay, I think I can make a conclusion here that now I'm not using the long wires anymore. I think you can safely say that it's the best to use about the same wire as the other one. So thin trigger, same length as which is about 6 meters in this case, and the same length for the pickup. That's using the least current. It's a nice square wave and it's charging quite well. Strange thing, this is above 0. If I put it to 0, it's here. This is above 0 on the collector. Now if I do it on the coil, okay, now it's over the coil. Now watch this. Look at this. It's exactly in the middle. Very strange.